Today, let's learn how to see a liked post on Instagram. Okay, here's a new update on Instagram, which actually permits you to view posts that you've liked. So how do you actually do this? Well, of course, all we need to do first, let's head down to the app Lite right now so that we may view the light stuff. And what we actually want to do next is to head on over to the account as we prefer to use in this case. I'd like to use this one right here. So now we are over here. Now all we need to do first is to actually have some stuff liked so that we may actually view the stuff that we liked. So let's say I want to like this one, maybe this one as well, maybe this one as well, and also a few stuff like that. So what we need to do is head on over on our profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen so that we may view our profile, because over here is the page where we can actually access the settings over the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines and actually just over here, let's click on settings and click on account. Now over here on account, there should be a prompt where it's going to show you your posts that you've liked. Now, for those who don't have that option right now, let's actually head on over here on a category over here on the main settings, because when we click the three lines again, it's going to show us this option right here, which shows your activity. Now, over here on your activity, you could actually view the posts that you've liked and stuff that you shared, recent searches, links that you visited, the archive, the stuff like that, and as well as the interactions and the likes. Okay, so once you actually click over here on interactions, you could actually click on likes as well, so that you may view everything that you've liked from the very start up to the present. And as you can see, all of the pics that we've liked a while ago is located over here to be viewed very easily in no time. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This has been How to See Liked Posts on Instagram.